I was looking for an active adult community. I came from a gated adult community that I had lived in all those years. I have all kinds of new friends here and people to talk to all the time. It's very exciting for me.
When I walked in, there were residents already in the clubhouse, and they were having such a great time, and they were very friendly and open, and it was just felt so welcoming. I was sold.
Ran into a gentleman in my previous residence, and he had mentioned Album and all the great things that were going on here, so I thought, wow, that sounds incredible. So he actually made an appointment with Oscar and drove me here personally and met Oscar. We did some tours of some places, you know, looking at the particular floor plans and whatnot and all the amenities. And it was very hard to resist because what they were doing, they just had so many great things going on. So it was perfect for what I was going through.
I was especially interested in their location. Hospital nearby, you have the Galleria Mall for shopping, you have several grocery stores where people can shop.
I like that it's close to almost everything, you know. There's the Galleria, the bakery, and the market.
And she's a social butterfly.
Excuse me?
So she likes the...
I like to meet people, especially with the new people that comes in.
Clubhouses where we do karaoke. Everybody looks forward to Sunday, you know, karaoke. It's like this. My wife said everybody act like they're going to church and come to karaoke and they're going to church. Yeah, but it's I just like the place.
That's what I like about Album. They always have something going on. They always they have birthdays. They celebrate you for your birthday. They celebrate you when you first come in.
I also enjoy the karaoke nights that we have, and I get several requests, and that's a lot of fun. And then there's other activities as well. I still go to the driving range and hit golf balls. I go to the pool and swim.
I have never seen a place where it's like home, you know, it's like, it gives you it's a comfortable feeling, you know, going and coming, you know, greeting, the way the people greet you, you know.
Friendly and a very diverse population. There's so many different people that do different things that I know.
Yeah.
And they've done different things all their lives.
My favorite is the people and the friendliness. And then second, I would say there's something going on every day.
It's a very, very happy place to be.
All of it just added up to one very big positive.
Nice and new, clean, and quiet.
Friendly.
And we love it.
It's just a nice place to be.
You know, I was looking for apartments. Instead, I found a home.